Hi all, I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are continuing with Pytorch discussion. So in this video, we will try to understand how can we install Pytorch to our machine. Okay. So I am in pytorch.org site. Now you can go click on this Get Started menu. Okay. So here I am going to use the stable version, okay, 1.12.1. Now my OS is Linux, okay, and I am going to use pip, okay. Then here my language is Python, okay. Now we need to select the computer platform. So here we have CUDA 11.3, 11.6 and 10.2. And we have like ROCm 5.1.9 CPU. So if the CUDA is not installed, you can select the CPU here. Okay. So first we need to see what is our CUDA version. So for that, let me open my console here. Okay. So here we can type NVIDIA SMI. Okay, I think something went wrong. I think I spelled it wrongly. So here my CUDA version is 11.4. Okay, so here we can see when you type here in your terminal, you can type NVIDIA-SMI. So you will get the information with respect to the CUDA. So you can see that my CUDA version is 11.4. So probably I will be selecting. Here there is no 11.4 is available, so I will be selecting CUDA 11.3. Okay. Now what I will do, okay, so let me open the terminal. Okay, so this is my terminal. So first let me install a new environment. Okay, let me create new environment. So for that, let me type conda create -p venv python equal to 3.8. So I'm going to execute this one. Going to type yes. Okay, so this start executing. Okay, now let me activate that particular environment. So this is my environment. So once I created the environment, I can copy this one. So here I can see that my OS is Linux. I am going to use pip, or I can use conda, but I prefer pip. And I am Python and CUDA 11.3. Okay, so my actual CUDA version is 11.4, I believe. Now let me copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So it may take a couple of minutes, I believe. So let me pause the video. I will be back once it is completed. Okay. So here I believe the installation is completed. Okay. Successfully installed so it says that it is installed successfully. Okay. So what we can do now, we can check Pytorch is installed correctly or not. For that, let me import Torch Vision. Now we can check the version. Okay. Print version __. Okay, so it's giving us the correct version. So it shows that it is installed correctly. Okay, so that is all in this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.